Christians have prayed for years, "Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven." But God's will has not been done on earth. Will this prayer ever be answered? Call 1-800-234-DAWN for the free booklet, The Kingdom of God. This kingdom is coming, and it will bring peace and happiness to all mankind. Call 1-800-234-DAWN. Ask for the Kingdom of God.
To view the booklet online, visit www.dawnbible.com, or, to receive a hard copy of the booklet by mail, send an email to dawnbible@aol.com. Include your name and postal mailing address and ask for the booklet by name. The Kingdom of God. The booklet will be mailed to you free and without obligation. And now, goodbye, and may God bless you.